service with a tsunami warning bulletin from the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center. A tsunami warning is in effect for the state of Hawaii at 2:43 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time. An earthquake occurred at 1:25 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time with a preliminary magnitude of 8.7. Located near 52.2 north latitude, 160.0 east longitude, in the vicinity of the east coast of Kamchatka, Russia. A tsunami has been generated which could cause damage to low-lying coastal areas within the state of Hawaii. The estimated time of the first wave arrival for the state of Hawaii is 7:17 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time, Tuesday, July 29, 2025. Further messages will be issued hourly or sooner as conditions warrant until the threat to Hawaii has passed.
We'll be right back with Sidekick.